In today's mixed market environment, we still insist on a strict QC standard process for each production process. Today we introduce our perfect standard quality system. IQC, FK, FQC, OK. General connector parts include plastic housing, metal terminals. Incoming inspection, including inspection of injection parts and metal terminals as well as electroplating. Process inspection. The parts are assembled as the finished connector. At present, we all use automatic assemble machines, which put pin to housing, the plastic cover link and the fitting terminal assembly. So for FK, we have multiple inspection procedures for such a precise part and use a magnifying glass. Customize precision parts in our factory. We can also adjust the production and inspection according to the actual situation, after a number of manual inspection in the production process. And finally, we have to go through a CCD full inspection packaging equipment. This is what we call FQC. Before shipment, we also have to go through a manual full inspection, and the problems that may occur after packaging are 100% visual full inspection. This is what we call OK.
点赞关注哦。